Sorry, bono mwancho murigaria timu ya Migori FC yanyara kwegwa ekiegwa kurwase umurai bwense William Ruto maiga yobubwa base League ya National Super League asebono umuyogoyo hokorekana imenyomba yoburai haiga somuchi o Nairobi umurai bwense niko bona atogiri timu iyo hase naboigo kuba akirambu yaso kubeka omukya oyo nyara koenekya hase CHIGOSORI CHIABO boigo umurai bwense niko arireira yogochia gosira abagosori bense ya Kenya hiri banyara ko babakogendera koya ensi ya Kenya obonyankongo hasense muye CHIGOSORI muri kitodi na mura namange
Una enchira yogosire biegwa asabasai ime ya Kenya umurai wense omuske William Ruto Koariganirie abarai amona bakenkoyo betimu ya Migori Youth FC ase nyumba y'ubwambi igaigo mocho Nairobi abo batire ngasi gocheli yenene yenkoyo yense ya Kenya FKF SportPesa Premier League magega yogokora batangani ase League ya National Super League NSL amatuko abwangoiga kukwane kerekyo umurai bwense obakeire mbuya abakinko yabo asomukyobo oyo obaireire obubui ase abaire kewa giebasi inaboigo atogirie abakinkoyo ya Arambe Starlet.
I want to say congratulations. Success does not just come. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of planning, working hard, working smart, and therefore, as you graduate now to Premier League, your assignment becomes even better. You have made me very proud that today I am not only handing over a bus to you, but I am handing over a bus to the Super League champions. Just yesterday, to demonstrate our prowess in sports, yesterday, Harambee Starlets qualified for the World Cup. You know, one more step to show that we are making strides as a country in the space that we are known for.
Umurai wense boigo nigaburirie kambani ya korondo ya Mozati gosira abakenko yabo boigo asakwaneire baria bakorora buna obwagachi bwebiti by'CHIGOSORI tarigento kingencho.
I want to encourage our good friends Mossad to help you. I will speak to the management to see whether they can enhance their sponsorship. Many people have been asking me whether putting up stadia is a priority. I want to ask those people who are asking me whether stadia construction is a priority to ask the young people of Kenya that question. You will get the right answer.
Omentire buna obwagachi webiti ime ya Migori boigo ni chinsemo chinde nenchera yemo yogosegeta basai wesokya ase CHIGOSORI na gokorense ya Kenya koba enambe yemo ase CHIGOSORI.
With stadia we build in every part of Kenya, we will begin to inspire more young people to step forward, sportsmen, athletes, footballers, and other games who will come forward and take their rightful space and be the sporting nation that we are.
Omugavana omigori ochilo ayako boigo nabateneneri bekerabukia Migori Youth FC bamwakire omuske Ruto mbuye mono enene ase okubasira ne basi nobwagachi bwegeti na kumusaba otokekero kya mamiraniabo ekyagera yarorekanire buna nigare negesio kyobubui bwabo.
Migori County is very, very grateful to you, Your Excellency, when we approached you and requested you to help us construct a stadium in Migori County. We were actually ashamed of ourselves because we didn't have one. Homa Bay had theirs and they named it Raila Odinga. Kisii had theirs, Siaya and Kisumu.
Na I think your motivation imechangia sana. Ukiona basi mpya hapa imesimama hapa wakati tumesikia kuna gari inakuja, vijana wamefurahia sana na wamejituma.
To me, as a captain, I'm very happy, Mr. President. You have been with us since we started this our competition. And Mr. President, it seems that you have been our kismat this season. As we want to start our season 2026-2027 in our Kenya Premier League, I may also request to be with us. We are able to do it. Thank you.
Koriboteria ATV Yansoko, Erieta Nedna Mora.